Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad mini meets requirements because performance depends on hardware and iPad OS. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Home Screen and Multitasking, and enable Stage Manager. This activates the new window system. Make sure to connect an external display with a USB-C cable if you want extended desktop. This changes layout options and gives more space for apps. After turning it on, return to the home screen and swipe to open Control Center so you can test quick window arrangements. You'll now arrange apps into useful layouts so your workflow becomes faster. First, drag an app from the dock onto the screen to make a floating window, then grab the corner to resize. This gives you precise control over workspace. Next, combine windows by dragging one into another to create a group on the Stage Manager shelf, which saves the layout for quick recall. Once done, open Control Center to switch between tile, overlap, or single app focus, and make adjustments until everything fits your task flow. To finish, refine your workflow by using keyboard shortcuts and drag and drop between windows so you save time. This is why Stage Manager speeds multitasking. Make sure to tidy the shelf. Close unused windows or swipe a group away to free memory and reduce clutter. If things go wrong, for example, animations stutter or windows don't snap, restart your iPad, check for an iPad OS update, and temporarily disconnect any external display to isolate the problem. These steps usually restore smooth behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.